Alright guys, goodies are here, goodies are here. These are the calipers that I'll be using on the E30 build.
Christmas come only.
Christmas come.
Christmas is here.
Alright guys, what's up, bless up again, it's your boy Tezzaboy. Thanks for tuning in again guys. Alright, so today I am going to pick up some stuff I ordered for the project car, the E30 build. And you know, everybody's supposed to know the feeling when you order something and you really can't wait to get it. So I'll be heading down to the courier service today. I use Mailpack to clear some stuff, and I'll show you what's up. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tune in to the vlog and share the fun, and people don't know, big up, respect for all the support and thing here. Alright guys, goodies are here, goodies are here. Alright, so boy, I have to apologize, you know, because I couldn't help myself. I had to open them to make sure everything was correct. Alright, so I got the braided lines. So you don't know, suspension and brake is a must. You see me? And suspension is on the way. It's nothing too fancy. All that some front end parts and thing. Alright, so this guys, you can use to pump fluid, whether it's engine oil or transmission fluid. You can use it to put in probably like diff oil in the diff, you know, them little hard to reach places in the transmission when you're under there with a tight fit and stuff where you don't have a lot of space to work with. So you screw this into the bottle. This fit most of the engine oils and transmission oils fluid bottles, and you just screw it on and you pump it up like hand soap or something like that. What else is here? So I ordered the this is what the inner is a pair. The inner ball joint for the control arms front for the E30. Here's the other one. What else? Try to make it snappy. Alright, so these are the link and these are the linkages for the stabilizer bar, the sway bar on the front. Ordered the rear ones too, but those now come till about September thereabouts. What else is here? Alright, so these are the solid mounts for the back bushing on the control arm of the E30. They call these the lollipop bushings because the little thing that I'm gonna press it into shapes like a lollipop. So you guys will see that when I'm doing it. So these are the solid mounts. Yeah, so for now I guess that's it. Am I missing anything? Yeah. So thanks for tuning in to the unboxing.
Alright guys, more goods there. So I'll go on. Christmas come only.
Christmas come.
Christmas is here.
Yeah.
What is in that box?
I know I'm going in that box now.
Anyway you want to put it.
Christmas.
Alright people, so they are clean up Lexi. Don't know. Bridging forward with some more goodies. Goodies. E30 got shoes and socks. I like shoes or tire.
shoes, I tell you.
Hey, you got foot.
A foot you have now?
A foot you have now.
Can't turn up.
Yes, brother. Don't know, respect in a yacht.
Chat, man. It take a lot of time, but
Express service. Yeah, man. So people, look out for them. More unboxing, more goodies for forward. They look decent though. And a BCs, but you can go on 3 time being there.
Some come with dumper dog.
Camber plate.
And camber plate.
No dump on the pan, but camber plate. And
No dumper on the camber plate.
yeah, you have a vibe. Mr. Chin, max speed and rods. Me know nobody talk nothing about them, man. Jalil, I disappoint your car, Jalil.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the...
Alright people, so look at this. Had a lot of filler. There's a sink here. I don't know if you can see it. But there was a sink here filled with filler, or bando as we call it. So removing all of that, and we're gonna dolly it out and then lightly put some filler on it. Lightly put some filler on it, so we'll see.
I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own.
3 days later.
As you guys know, the engine bay has been sprayed underneath, has been undercoated, looking pretty nice under here. Bodywork is progressing smoothly. This is where it's at right now. I'm showing you what's happening. So I have a few spots to be sanded. Still have a lot of work to be done, but it's coming on. But this is the update currently. I'll keep you guys posted. Guys, alright, so these are the calipers that I'll be using on the E30 build. So these blue ones here, or partially blue ones, came off a E36. Slightly, well, kind of similar to the E30 ones from factory. And these came off my previous owned car, which was the Altezza, or Altia commonly known. So I'm converting these because they're a bit bigger, more stopping power. They are actually double piston, and these will be in the front. As you can see, these two bulgy parts here have the piston, so it has more stopping power when you put your foot on the brake. So I'll be using these because I think these have a bit more stopping power, way better than the factory E30 or E36 one. So I'll be going with these, and of course the rotors, which Ladaman sorted out and Festo skimmed. So yeah man, you guys know what's up already. Alright, so I'll be getting these sprayed, cleaned up and sprayed. So you guys saw the cinematics of the calipers like these in this state. Look like something from junkyard, but just keep watching and you will see how they look after.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so I'm showing you guys the update on the calipers. So you saw the before, this is the after. Yeah, I have a little bit of smudges, but pretty much this is how they look. Once again, Ladaman outdid himself. Yeah, very nice. Same color as the engine bay, peeps. Same color as the engine bay. Real nice. Alright, so I was planning to use these with some sleeve overs. These are the E36 OEM suspensions, and I was planning to use those with some sleeve overs so I could adjust it, but change of plans. Got some max speed in rat instead. These are the subframe. I got 2 subframe, one for the JZ modifications already. So these are the rear control arms. I got these poly-retained along with the subframe. As you guys remembered, all poly. So the subframe is already sprayed along with the diff from the previous vlog. I'm thinking about getting the rear diff sprayed, the rear diff cover as well sprayed. You guys can comment and let me know what you think, if I should put it in the same green as this, or just spray it black as the rest of the diff. And also I'm supposed to get these cleaned up. I'm gonna do this myself, some thin spray, cleaned up and spray, just to give it a bit of appearance. So pretty much that's the update, guys. Alright, stay tuned to see what's next.
Alright, so the winners for the VOO Mini giveaway, Tezzaboy Productions in association with Synergy. The VOO Minis giveaway, the winners are Trev P and Rev Hard Nation. So big up on yourself. Thanks for the continued support, guys. Go ahead and check out the comment section anytime I post a giveaway. Make sure you follow the guidelines and you could be the lucky winner next time. Alright, so thanks for the continued support again, guys. Yeah man, peace out.